Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with the Bargain Mama. And let me tell you, I have never had this problem before. I have too much stuff to video. I was just trying to find my tripod and I just found it across the room, but I'm not getting up to get it. I'm like, no, I'm good. Anyways, I have a lot of stuff. A lot. So, and so many videos. I have so many videos up right now. So anyways, you might see several videos of me like this. And then I'm going to wait to get caught up before I buy anything. And then we'll start again. So please read my description box below. And remember that my giveaways have started. I will announce the first winner on September 1st. And then every week after that, watch, comment, and like my Friday and Monday videos. And be a subscriber. And every Tuesday at 7 p.m. I will pick a winner. And Wednesday I will announce it on my haul. All right, guys, with that being said, let's get started. So, I know people are like, Amy, we've seen that. Who cares? But guys, I have got to organize. So these are the 13 bags. I did notice because I saw some that were the exact same size. I even looked at the dimensions and they were freezer bags and there was only 9 in there. And these have 13. I'm not putting them in the freezer, so I got these. Again, they were the exact same. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. But they were the exact same dimensions. I don't know. I'm hoping that this is going to work. This is my plan. So my plan is to get some of, get my stickers. So, I want to organize somehow. So, Christmas, fall, whatever. So I'm going to put them in here. Oh, yes. Okay. And then I'm going to label the top right here with my Sharpie. And then I'm going to place them into a little bin, either this bin or whatever bin. And so that their little tops I can see and I can very clearly see what I have. I really need see-through items because I am too lazy to open the container and see what's in there. And other things you get 2 in there. I don't know. This had 13. So again, I'm going to organize all my stickers with that, put them in here. Bomb, done. So I got 2 boxes of those. Each had 13. And then I did pick up some of these smaller ones. They have 13 in them also. And these are the quart size. And I picked these ones up for just say little embellishments so that, I can, just like this one. So I made a DIY that you guys will be seeing soon. And these are all the beads that were left over because once you open the bags of beads, they go everywhere. And I could put them in little tins and this kind of stuff, but then I can't see them. So I decided I put them in just some little bags. And then again, I will put them in a bucket or a bin, but I can then see what's in here. So I got that. Anyways, I know you guys are like, oh, we've seen those before, Amy. I know, but trying to, oop, hold on one second, guys. Because this is what I'm so excited about. Man, oh, this is kind of a ruler. Let me see real quick. So this is, it's probably 17 inches. Does it tell me? No. Anyways, I got these. And yes, these are, I love the smell of wood and paper and all that. Anyways, these are 17 inches. I'm measuring it on my little thing right here. So 17 inches and they're a little bit thin. But these I got because I want to make some of the substantial pieces from the other pieces at the Dollar Tree. And I know people have been using they use popsicle sticks and stuff like that. But I don't know what happened yesterday, but it was like a hurricane came through Arizona and it would have taken everything I own out. So anyway, and I just want it to be a little bit sturdy if a wind comes. And like I said, these, how thick is it though? It's a 1/4 of an inch is what I appear to see. So it's 17 inches by 1/4 of an inch. Now they're not all, okay, these ones are all the same size, but in the bin I got, they had them different sizes. Anyways, they are 3 17-inch pieces of wood. You can literally put anything on these. And again, use them to hold together your decor. I love them. I love them. So I got those. I got 3 of those. And then I know I got more than one of these. Guys, how cute. So this is 12 inches. It says it right there. 12-inch chunky slat. And how thick is it? It's 1 inch thick. So for these, I thought, a lot of people buy the little saying things that look like this from the Dollar Tree and then they just redo them. But guys, I can just do this, and the back of them are hollow at the Dollar Tree. But Guys, I can put like winter, fall, I don't know, Christmas, Thanksgiving. Yeah. So, I mean, whatever you want on here. And it could just sit on your tabletop. I mean, I thought it was so cute. Again, it's 12 inches by by 1 inch. This is 12 inches by 1 inch. Thought it was really cool. It's already cut wood. It's already, so some of it might have to be sanded on the edges, but in general, it is sanded. Because I've seen some that like is not sanded yet. It's like rough wood, but this is not. So I really liked this. Made in USA, I don't know, by Surface Appeal. So this is by Surface Appeal. What does this say? So this is by Surface Appeal also. This said craft wood. And this just says 12-inch chunky flat. Love those. I mean, from the Dollar Tree. Get out of here. So, let me just pull this up here. See what I got here. So, I'm going to shove my big fat foot into these. I don't think it's going to fit, but I'm going to do my best. I did not see any other size. If you guys see another size, please tell me. These are 5 to 9. Fits those shoe sizes, women juncture. And I was really debating. They had a red, like, buffalo check. Oh, it was beautiful. But they had this. And I thought, well, I'm not going to get them both if they don't fit. But they're, like, cute little fuzzy slippers. And look at the outside, guys. It has, like, the little non-skid things, which I need because my house is all tile. And I will get so excited and run to go tell someone something and make a corner. And I can't tell you how many times I've landed on my butt. Not good. So I found these. If they fit, I'm going back and getting the buffalo check. But I didn't even see smaller sizes. This is the only one I saw, 5 to 9. Guys, if I have to haul one more pair of socks. So anyways, these are just the ones I haul all the time because my children lose their socks. These are Juncture Men's Athletic, 3 pairs, 6 to 12, because my children have big feet. My youngest son has a size 13. So I picked up these Airwicks, and these ones are in the fresh linen. And the reason I picked these up is because my husband and I went to Walmart yesterday and we were going to get a 5-pack. I looked for the very cheapest and it was $10. That's $2 each. And I was like, no, I'm not buying that. I'll just go get them from the Dollar Tree. But when I buy these before at the Dollar Tree, I was like, I feel like getting them in a bigger pack is cheaper. It's not. So anyways, yeah, I got those because they are, like I said, much cheaper. So I got these. And this is from the old summer stuff, the luau. But guys, again, on September 18th, I'm having my housewarming party. And it's luau themed. So I'm going to put this around the bottoms of the table. That's why I got 2. So I'm going to put this around the bottom of the food table and then make it just look like it has a grass skirt on it. Oh yeah, I'm very excited. Next. What else do I have down here? Okay. So, about to die, guys. I had not seen these at the Dollar Tree before. I'm sure they have been there, but I love this. They are the 17 pieces, 4 small, 7 medium, and 6 large. Sure Fresh. I don't know what an embellage diver is. What the heck? Oh, this is the English side. Cover Ups Variety Pack. So apparently, embellage divers is some other language for variety pack, but 17 total. Slide it right on top of there. Throw that bad boy in my fridge because we have leftovers once a week and that's going to make it amazing. So that's what I got. I'm trying to save my good stuff for the end because I'm so excited to show you guys. So let me show you some other stuff. I picked up some stickers and I'm not usually the sticker person, but I thought these were so cute. So there is 13 in here. And these ones say grandma, but you don't even have to use them. This was my favorite, guys. So they're 3D, first of all. That is a ball of yarn. How is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And here is a big thing of yarn. Oh my gosh, off to grandma's and little cookies. But guys, look at, they're just gorgeous. So there's 13 pieces, got those. My next one is, they're puffy and they're 35 pieces and they look kind of like those glass stickers. But guys, let's see how, there we go. Look at how beautiful these colors on here are. I mean, they're gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And the theme on them, oh my, so like pinks and turquoise, very, very like, is it native? I don't know, but they're beautiful, love them. And then I did pick up this is the glass sticker, 2 pieces. And it is the unicorn, and it says unicorn, and I just love it. I think it's so pretty. I'm sure it will be going to friend mail, but it was so pretty, so I had to get it. And then I did just pick this up. It's the Creepy Cloth. I plan on using this just for my table runner to go down the middle with my fall items. I know it's not really fall-y, but I feel like once I put some like leaves and pumpkins and stuff, it will look more fall-y than Halloween. So that's gonna be my table runner. Guys, you're not ready for this. You are not ready for what I found. Drum roll. Yes. So I have this, and then I have a Dollar General bag, but this is my favorite. Guys, I was just grabbing, and don't think I didn't go through every single one. Like, there was like 20 back. I went through all of them. And this lady, before, you guys were like, Amy, show me. So this lady was standing in front of him, and I was like, and I could hear her on the phone talking to somebody, and she's like, they're villages or something. And I was like, I just was waiting for her to move. I felt like I was going to have to be a football player and go and tackle her to move her, because I didn't know how many there were or nothing. But there was a lot, so I'm okay. Let me show you. So these are the fairy garden figurines, 3 pieces. First of all, guys, look at this ghost, this mummy, and the little Frankenstein guy right here. And guys, he is holding, like, he's holding a lollipop. There's a pumpkin, and here is like a little candy corn popsicle. Not the cute. I couldn't. And then here we go. Here is 3 more of the fairy gardens. This is a little baby with a sucker with the top part of the pumpkin on their head, sitting in a pumpkin. And then the 2 little gnome ladies, or fairy ladies. Oh yeah, guys, there's more. There is. Here are these 3. And so these are just decor. This is the Cornucopia. This is a bin of apples, and this is a little bin of pumpkins. Oh yes. And then there's more. Here is the little sign that says beware, and it's sitting in like a cauldron with green coming out. This is a sign that says welcome also, with a pumpkin down here and the black crow. And right here it says welcome ghouls, and it's just sitting on this little thing. There's more. I have 2 more. Yes, I do. So here we go again. Oh, I was going to get sad. I thought this was a repeat, but it's not. So here is this one again. Right here we have Cornucopia. A wagon with the pumpkins. That's the cutest thing. And then this one right here looks like a little teepee, or it's hay with the little pumpkins. I love it. I think I'm going to make little shadow boxes. But let me show you guys these. These are the little gnomes. So this little gnome is holding a sign that says welcome with a pumpkin. This little gnome is holding an apple with a bucket of apples, and the gnome with the sunflower. You guys, that is the cutest thing. I'm so excited that I found those. So excited. Now, the only reason I'm mixing this haul with a Dollar General haul is because I want to do my hot cocoa bar. Coffee bar, whatever you want to call it. I don't drink coffee. I have no intentions on drinking hot cocoa anytime soon. It's like still 100 degrees here in Arizona. I'm still dying. But I want it set up. Like, I want the feeling. I feel like maybe if I set it up and stuff, maybe that's like our temperature will feel like it should cool down. I don't know. But so let me show you guys. I kept the receipt so I could remember how much everything is. But most of the stuff was $1. So I was really excited about that. So you're going to be able to see kind of the colors that I'm going to go with on this one. So this one is $1, and it is the tea towel, and it says Farmers Market open daily, pumpkins picking, and it has the little buffalo check and the truck with the pumpkins in the back. So I'm going to hang this over. So I'm going to do it different this year than I did last year. I'm going to put one of my 3-tiered trays on there. So I'm going to and it's pretty large, so I'm going to let this hang over the side just to give it a little bit more decor. And then I found, because I have Christmas cups, but guys, I don't have fall cups. So this is Fall Sweet Fall. I loved the color. There's 2 in here, and they are $1. They have the cup, the lids, so that one right there I got. And then I did switch it up a little bit and go with this because it is the color of the pumpkins. So this is Pumpkin Spice Everything, and again, there are 2 cups with 2 lids, and they were also $1 for this one. Yep. Oh, I can show you guys too, just in case. Yep, $1. $1. Okay. And I picked this up. It says give thanks. And again, I really just picked it up because I liked the colors, because they happen to go, and they're going to look amazing on my 2-tier. What is this one? This one might be a 3-tiered, so I got that. And then this says give thanks, and it was $1, but you know why I got it? Because of the color. I love the color. That's what I'm doing my whole coffee bar in. And so then I did pick up these 2 cute little pumpkins, and they are like cloth or something, I don't know, but I don't know, I just liked them. They were $1 each, and I don't know if you can tell very much, but this one is like kind of a little bit of a darker blue, and this is more of a gray right here. They have the little 3 thingies, the 3 beads on top, and they're a pretty good size. It just says mini pumpkin, but they're a good size, and they are $1, and these actually I liked better than the Dollar Tree ones, so that's why I got those for $1 each. And so I was gonna make one, but this was $3, guys. So it says blessed. And yes, guys, it has the colors that I want, so I can hang this also on my hot cocoa bar. I love the colors, love it. They had so many there too, and I was very much confused. So I did put my whole theme around this color, like this bead tassel thing. They had all white, and that would have gone with anything. It was cute, but it said, I can't remember, Hello Pumpkin or something on this. And I could have changed it out, but I wasn't a fan. And then there was a white and pink this close to getting that white and pink, but I didn't. So I got that one. And then this was $3, but this is an LED ceramic pumpkin. So how beautiful is this gonna be when I turn it on? It is porcelain. It is going to be beautiful when I put it on my 3-tier tray. The color, I loved the color, beautiful. And then these are just 2 little things. These are just little slime beacons, 3.5 ounces. They were $1 each. I have a set of twins that are my patients, and they have been a little bit sick, and so they love slime. So I thought I would bring these when I go see them this week. Guys, that's it for now. So that is everything for right now. Again, I have more videos than I have days right now, which is crazy, but I just wanted to get that done so I could start organizing my stickers. And then I'm not just gonna come on and say, guys, I got storage bags and quart bags, because you guys are gonna be like, peace, Amy, we don't care. So I'm thinking that one of my dogs is in here. Like, I didn't let any of my dogs here, but I keep hearing the doggy door open, so now I'm creeped out. I'm gonna go check that out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. I can't wait to show you guys my house tour. I only have the bathroom done. Only my son's bathroom for now. Sometimes I can't sleep at night, right? So I decorated my son's whole bathroom, and he said, did somebody poop fall in my bathroom? And I was like, oh, I couldn't sleep. Don't worry about that. Anyways, guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. Please read the description box below to get in on my giveaways, because I have got to get rid of this stuff, too much stuff, so that I can buy more. I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.